Making money on Amazon? It's easier than you think. You hear about people making money online. Ever wonder how they do it? One way is through Amazon Associates. It's simpler than you think. You recommend products. People buy them. You earn money. Think about it. You're already telling friends about great products you love. Why not get paid for it? Amazon Associates lets you do just that. It's free to join and easy to use. Imagine earning passive income while you sleep. That's the power of affiliate marketing. Amazon Associates opens the door to this exciting opportunity. This guide will show you how, so buckle up and get ready. We're about to dive into the world of Amazon Associates. You'll learn how to make money by sharing products you love. Let's get started. Ready to join the ranks of successful Amazon Associates? Great! The first step is signing up for the program. Don't worry, it's easy and totally free. Just head over to the Amazon Associates website. You'll see a button that says, Join Now for free. Click it. You'll need to create an Amazon account if you don't have one already. Next, you'll fill out some information about yourself and your website or social media platforms. This helps Amazon understand how you plan to promote products, be honest, and provide accurate details. Once you've submitted your application, Amazon will review it. This usually takes a few days. Once approved, you're officially an Amazon Associate. Congratulations, you're now part of the club. Now for the fun part. Creating affiliate links. These special links are your keys to earning commissions. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you get a cut of the sale. Log into your Amazon Associates account. You'll see a dashboard with various tools and resources. To create an affiliate link, search for the product you want to promote. Once you've found it, click on the Get Link button. Amazon will generate a unique affiliate link for that specific product. It will look like a regular Amazon link, but it has a special code attached to it. This code tracks your referrals and ensures you get credited for any sales. Copy your affiliate link and start sharing. You can paste it on your website, blog, social media posts, or even in emails. The more people click on your link and buy the product, the more money you make. Section 4. Getting people to click, driving traffic to your links. Creating affiliate links is just the first step. Now you need to get people to click on them. This is where your marketing skills come in. The more traffic you drive to your links, the higher your chances of earning commissions. Promote your links through blogs, social media, and YouTube. Be authentic and engaging. Don't spam your links everywhere. Focus on providing value to your audience. Be yourself, be passionate, and watch the clicks roll in. Section 5. Show me the money potential, earnings, and expectations. Now let's talk about the part you've all been waiting for, earnings. How much money can you actually make with Amazon Associates? The truth is, it varies widely depending on several factors. Your earnings depend on your niche, traffic, conversion rates, and the commission rates for the products you promote. Some niches are more profitable than others. For example, the tech and beauty industries tend to have higher commission rates. Don't expect to get rich overnight. Building a successful Amazon Associates business takes time, effort, and consistency. Focus on creating high-quality content, driving targeted traffic, and promoting products you believe in. As your website or social media following grows, so will your earning potential. Some successful Amazon Associates earn thousands of dollars per month, but it didn't happen overnight. Stay dedicated and you can achieve your income goals. Real people, real money success stories from Amazon Associates. Don't just take my word for it. Countless success stories from everyday people making a killing with Amazon Associates. Like a stay-at-home mom who started a blog about parenting hacks. She joined Amazon Associates and recommended baby products. Now she earns a full-time income from her blog, or a college student reviewing tech gadgets on YouTube. He included affiliate links in his video descriptions. Now he earns enough to pay tuition and support himself. Many are achieving financial freedom through Amazon Associates. If they can do it, so can you. Section 7. Your turn. Take action and start earning. So, what are you waiting for? Amazon Associates presents an incredible opportunity to make money online by sharing products you love. It's free to join, easy to use, and has the potential to generate significant income. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Sign up for Amazon Associates today, start creating affiliate links, and share your recommendations with the world. The more you promote, the more you can earn. Remember, success with Amazon Associates doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and dedication. But with the right strategies and a commitment to providing value to your audience, you can achieve your financial goals. So go ahead, take the leap and start building your own successful Amazon Associates business today. You won't regret it.